गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। जो लास्ट लेक्चर था उसमें हमने डिस्कस किया था कि जो फंजाई है उसमें किस टाइप का क्लासिफिकेशन है एंड देयर स्ट्रक्चर एंड देयर रिप्रोडक्शन। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द फोर्थ किंगडम, that is the kingdom Plantae. Means in this lecture we are going to discussing about the plants, the plant kingdom. फर्स्ट जनरल कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स के जनरल कैरेक्टर्स क्या हैं? फर्स्ट, दे आर ऑटोट्रोफिक, their nutrition mode is autotrophic. Basically they are photosynthesis. If we are saying that they perform photosynthesis, it means they have chlorophyll. The pigment is chlorophyll. They may be multicellular. They are multicellular. मीन्स फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर है कि वो ऑटोट्रोफिक न्यूट्रिशन को शो करेंगे, मेनली फोटोसिंथेसिस. पिगमेंट इज क्लोरोफिल, द ग्रीन पिगमेंट. द क्लोरोफिल इज AB. द मेजर presence of the pigment is A and B. They are multicellular. Next character is that they having cell wall, that is made up of cellulose. कि जो सेल वॉल है वो सेलुलोज की बनी होती है. द नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर इज देयर रिप्रोडक्शन. बेसिकली वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द हेयर सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. In the sexual reproduction, the sexual organs are multicellular and jacketed. Jacketed means जो sexual organs हैं कि plants के वो organ जो sexual reproduction में help कराते हैं वो covered होते हैं. For that reason they are known as jacketed. So now we will discuss about the classification of the plant kingdom. The next point is classification. The kingdom Plantae is further divided into categories on the basis of their habitat. On their habitat, so first we discuss about the aquatic habitat, which having a aquatic lifestyle. The plants which are aquatic is known as algae. The algae are the aquatic plants. For example, further algae are further classified: red algae, brown algae and green algae. These are the classification of the algae. Next, the terrestrial habitat, which grow on soil or land. terrestrial habitat जिनमें होंगी उनको फर्दर क्लासिफाई किया गया है according to the presence of vascular system. means देखो जो aquatic होते हैं they do not need the transfer of water because they are surviving in water. So if the xylem and phloem are absent, first criteria is xylem and phloem is absent, so they are bryophytes. and where the xylem and phloem is present, they further classify into two groups. If the spore is present during the reproduction or the seed is present. If the spore is present, they are known as pteridophytes. And the seed having further two classification. Naked seed means seed do not have any covering, naked or covered. If the seed is naked, it's known as gymnosperms. If the seed is covered with the fruit, known as angiosperms. So this is the general classification of the plant kingdom according to their habitat. How type of habitat is there. Further, bryophytes having mosses and liverworts. This is the general classification of the kingdom Plantae अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर हैबिटेट कि फर्स्ट प्लांट किंगडम को हम दो कैटेगरी में क्लासीफाई करते हैं. फर्स्ट एक्वेटिक एंड टेरेस्ट्रियल. द एक्वेटिक आर नोन एज एल्गी. द एग्जांपल्स द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द एल्गी फर्दर अकॉर्डिंग टू द पिगमेंट विच इज प्रेजेंट इन देयर रेड, ब्राउन एंड ग्रीन. द टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लांट्स known as further divided into two categories, the xylem and the phloem. The vascular organs are present or absent. If the absent, they are classified into bryophytes, mosses and liverworts. In this category, the xylem and phloem is absent. Further, next category or next the division, xylem and phloem is present. If the present, they further classify into two categories according to the reproduction mode. If the spore are present, they are pteridophytes. If the seed are present, they further classify into two class. So two category. When the seed is not covered or seed is covered. Naked seed known as gymnosperms and the covered seed is known as angiosperms. So this is the classification of the kingdom Plantae according to the habitat. Now we will classify the plant kingdom according to the visibility of the sex organs during reproduction. Now we will classify the kingdom Plantae into the further categories according to the plant structure having sex organ visibility. मीन्स प्लांट्स को क्लासीफाई करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द कि ड्यूरिंग रिप्रोडक्शन उनके अंदर जो सेक्स ऑर्गन्स हैं वो विजिबल होते हैं या नहीं होते. बेसिकली द विजिबिलिटी मीन्स हैविंग सीड और विदाउट सीड और विद द सीड, कि जिनके अंदर सीड विजिबल होगा, प्रेजेंट होगा और जिनके अंदर नहीं होगा. तो फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस अबाउट द विदाउट सीड. दे आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू थ्री कैटेगरीज. फर्स्ट द थैलोफाइटा, ब्रायोफाइटा and pteridophyta. We have further classified in this as a unique category. So in thallophyta they are algae. So algae are classified into thallophyta because the algae having a thallus like structure. Further, we will classify the phanerogamy, the plants with seed, into two categories. The gymnosperm the gymnospermy, naked seed, we can say that without fruit, because we know that fruit is the outer covering of the seed. So in gymnosperms there is no fruit, so seed is naked. The next classification is the angiospermy. Angiospermy having seed covering, so they having fruit. In angiosperms, the ovary convert into fruit and the embryo convert into seed. So this is the general classifications according to the habitat and the sex organ visibility. In next lecture we will discuss about the first division, that is Thallophyta, basically the algae. Okay, thank you.